Did you know that you could actually change the layout of the Audi virtual cockpit if your Audi has this option? Not sure how to do so? No worries! Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to change the layout of the virtual cockpit in your Audi. But first, help us grow the channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Start the engine of your Audi. Go to the Audi M-Line menu and click on Settings. Go to Display and Brightness. Click on Audi Virtual Cockpit. You will now enter the menu where you can change the display of your Audi Virtual Cockpit. In this demo we have the options to choose from 3 different layout options: Sport, S-Performance and Dynamic. But depending on which model you have or what options your Audi is equipped with, it is also possible to just see 1 or 2 layout options. If you cannot enter this menu, then unfortunately your Audi is not equipped with this feature. Would you like to change the layout of the Audi Virtual Cockpit, for example to the S-Performance layout? Click on the S-Performance layout. A new notification will pop up with a request if you are sure to change the layout. Click on Yes, Change Now if you are sure. The Audi Virtual Cockpit layout will now change from Sport to the S-Performance layout. Besides that you can change the layout of the virtual cockpit, you can also configure the additional display to your preference by just clicking on Configure. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.